A Progressive Web App, or PWA, is a web-based application. PWAs are similar to mobile sites and apps, but they're lighter, faster, and they don't take up the space on a device that an app normally would. They're able to function offline and allow users to receive push notifications and install an icon on their home screen. Let's take a look at 6 ways a progressive web app can improve your mobile marketing. Number 1, PWAs expand brand interactions beyond a website or one-time purchase. You can use your PWA to share content, interact with your audience, tell users about discounts and special events, and more. A PWA keeps your users in the loop and helps you ensure more ongoing interaction with them. Number 2, the brand experience goes with you everywhere. When one of your users accesses a progressive web app on their smartphone, they're essentially choosing to take your brand experience with them everywhere. Your PWA becomes an ever-present feature in their lives, and they'll have access to it when they're on the go. Number 3, PWAs raise and maintain brand awareness. As they begin to utilize your PWA in their everyday lives, your ongoing contact with them will make it easier to get top of mind with them when you have something to offer. Number 4, a PWA is an immersive hub for your brand that you can tailor to fit your brand voice and audience's needs. Essentially, the PWA is your space, and you get to tailor it however you like, in a way that's consistent with your brand. Number 5, PWAs attract both loyal, longtime fans and new users. A PWA is an excellent opportunity to give your audience access to exclusive content and special offers that only app users can receive. The chance to get the first look at special content can be a powerful draw to longtime fans as well as new users. And finally, number 6, PWAs can help you nurture fans that have slowed their engagement. A PWA can help you do this because you have access to those users' phones through push notifications. Try offering a special discount to bring them back into interaction with your brand, or offer them some actionable content they can put to use right away. And there you go. Now you know all about how PWAs can improve your mobile marketing. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.